Yay! So guys, I have my FabFitFun box. Yay! Yes, it's very small because I picked small stuff. Yes, yay! So my box is fully customized. And if you guys don't know, FabFitFun is a quarterly seasonal box. So this is my winter box for 2024. And this box is, I am an annual member. So I pay $219.99 a year. But if you were to get this box quarterly as a seasonal box and you're paying as you go, it's going to be $59.99 for the box. So because I'm an annual member, I do get to customize my box, which is one of the things that I do like about being annual. That is one of the perks. You get access to customizations earlier. So I do like those kind of things. So I've been with FabFitFun for a couple of years now, and I always get this box. So I'm going to show you guys what I selected for my box, and we're going to get right into it. So that's how it looks, guys, when you open it up. They have all the Christmas decorations and stuff for this month's box, which I think is cool. For the holidays, and you got your annual stuff that they throw in here and your contest for those of you that care. And we're gonna move right along. Alright guys, so I'm going to start out. I was looking for my first customization, and I'm looking all throughout my box and I don't see it. My first customization was supposed to be the Fenty Eau de Parfum, Fenty Beauty perfume, and it ain't in here. Like, I'm looking what's in my box, and I'm like, it ain't in here. It ain't in here. It ain't in here. I'm gonna have to reach out to FabFitFun. So my first customization is not even in here. So we're just going to go to the second customization that I had. I selected the Fenty's product here. This is the Fenty Melt Away product. So we have Fenty Skin Melt Away Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. That was what I chose for my second customization. I have never used this, so I do like the Fenty beauty products, but I haven't really got too much into the skincare that much. So I did want to try out this product here. I like stuff that helps to take your makeup off a lot quicker. So that always is very helpful when you have that to take your makeup off. And then I also note we have like a free product in here. This is not what I selected, but this is like a Dove product they threw in the box. So I'm just letting you know it's in here. And then we're going to go to my third customization choice. I selected, is it Etika? 18 karat gold plated adjustable crystal bracelet is what I selected. So let me open this one up. Here we go. I'll show you what that looks like. This is the bracelet here, guys, that I selected. And I like wearing gold. If you haven't noticed, most of my stuff is gold because gold looks good on my skin. So I thought this would be a cute bracelet for me. And then look, in the back it has like the ties on it. So I like that. That is so cute. So I thought this was cute for me. So my next item I'm going to show you guys I selected was the what is this called? Riddle Muse 8 milliliter roll-on fragrance oil. So I'm going to open this up. I'm really mad about my Fenty not being in here. That's really strange. So this is the Riddle roll-on perfume oil, and this is Muse. Riddle Muse is what they have. It smells nice. It has a nice fragrance to it. I like it. So the fragrance is Riddle oil, but I guess the fragrance is called Muse. So this is a is it 0.27 fluid ounces? Yeah, that's what it looks like. If me eyes don't deceive me, yeah. So that's what we have on that one. And then my next customization I selected for number 5 customization, I selected the First Aid Beauty. I do like their products. This is the Ultra Repair Cream in vanilla, and this is like a body cream from from what I'm seeing on here. Yes, this is a hydrating body cream. Use it all over your skin. So, and it's in vanilla. I didn't know they made any sense. It does have the safety seal on here, so I can't look at nothing. Can't smell anything through here. So, yeah, but this is like a hydrating, intense hydration cream, which I dearly need in the winter time because I'm the queen of ashy. In the winter, that is me. And then my final customization would be the by Rosie Jane. This is their what is this called? Rosie Jane, the F everybody F out everybody body cream. That is a hell of a name. Seriously, it does not say that on here. I don't see that it says that. It says by Rosie Jane. Okay, it's by Rosie Jane. It's Chill the F Out is the name of the cream. But it just says chill on here. It don't say chill the F Out is what FabFitFun has on here. But it says just chill on the packaging. So I'm going to go with just chill. And they have this sealed up. Let me see if I can open this up so I can show you guys. I'm going to just go from the bottom, so I can show it to you outside of the packaging. And this is how it comes. And it's still on. It do say chill the fuck out. Oh my God. I thought it was just FabFitFun being extra. No, it says chill the F out in very tiny print underneath the bio. Oh, wow. Wow. That is funny. So this has peppermint, mandarin, and cypress in the scent. Clean beauty for cool humans. I'm a cool human. At least I think I'm a cool human. Alright, so this is just a body cream here. Put this all over your body, but I do like the Rosie by Rosie Jane perfume, so I figured I would give this a try. And I did do an ad. Oh, and it's a mystery item. Maybe that's why I have this. I don't know. Is that why I have this? I'm going to have to ask, because this guys came in the box, but I didn't select this. And I was thinking, well, is it a mystery item, or is this to replace the fact that I didn't get the Fenty perfume? What do you guys think? So this was in the box, and this is the Unhide Love Not Love Marrakesh blanket. So you know it's one of them furry faux fur blankets. So it's brown, like a chocolate. But this was in here, and it mentions nothing on here about this being in here. So I'm wondering if this was to replace the Fenty perfume that I didn't get. I don't know. I guess so. Maybe. You think so? I don't know what you guys think. I still should probably reach out to FabFitFun and see if that's why this was in here. Because I didn't get any notice that I wasn't getting the product, but it's not in here and there's nothing else in the box, so I would have to say so. I don't know, but I did get one add-on. I did add to my purchase the Deep Care Flash Facial Spatula, because I did want to try this out. So this is supposed to be good for your skin. It says it gets rid of, it's an ultrasonic device that gets rid of blackheads and pore extractor. It's a sculpt ultrasonic. So this is what the back looks like, and I'm gonna just pull it out here so you guys can see what it's supposed to look like. So that's what it's supposed to look like. And where's the spatula? So this is how it comes, and I'm assuming we just pull that off. And this is the spatula. You use it like on your face, kind of to help get rid of, like I said, it says blackheads. What else it says? Ultrasonic pore and blackhead extractor and sculptor. So it says purify, reset, and lift your skin with the synergized benefit of this 24 karat vibration per minute and technology. It helps to unclog pores, extract blackheads and whiteheads, and enables deeper skin care absorption, and it lifts and firms for a more youthful look. So you see why I got this. You know, I like devices. That's my thing. I love facial devices. I like to try them all out. But yeah, I added this to my order extra. So guys, that is my FabFitFun box. Basically, so I'm assuming I got this because I didn't get Fenty perfume and they gave this to me to make up for it. But yeah, I didn't select this. I wouldn't select this because I know that I've had so many of these things around the house. I don't need any more of these. So I know I wouldn't have selected that. And then I got my Rosie Jane Everyday Body Milk. We have our First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream in Vanilla. We have our Fenty Skin. This is the Melt Away for the makeup remover. We have our Riddle Perfume Oil, and the fragrance is Muse. And we also have my Atika, is what I'm pronouncing it as. If I butcher it, that's on me. But yeah, this is their 18 karat plated gold adjustable bracelet. And I thought that would be cute for me and my little dainty wrist. And that is it, right? Yeah, that is it. I feel like I'm missing something. Am I missing something? I showed you guys this. I showed you guys that. What is it, like 6 customizations? I don't think I'm missing anything. I think that's everything, right? That's everything. Yeah, 2, 4, 6. Okay, yeah, that's everything. And then this makes my extra item. So yeah, 7. So yeah, guys, that was my box for my winter customization. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and hit the like button. And if you have not already subscribed, please tap on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But guys, I hope you enjoyed everything I got in my box. I would love to hear if you did pick up the FabFitFun, what you got in your box. What was your customizations? Did you get to customize? Do we have some of the same things? But yeah, I just wanted to share what was in mine. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!